CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide.
Today is January 30th, 2026. Amid the recent protests in Iran, exiled Crown Prince Reza Pahlavi has called on the people to unite for freedom and justice, during which Christians are also being targeted. Some churches were also damaged. Christians in Burkina Faso are victims of attacks. They cannot go anywhere due to travel restrictions, which is why the risks are increasing. Zamrag said that they are living in hiding and death threats continue. The civil war in Mali shows the political tension and uncertainty. Samuel said that Christians are being killed and burned, due to which people are in mortal danger and some are forced to live in the forests. In Nigeria, Pastor Cayman was leading a service when armed men stormed the church. 2 people died on the spot in the shooting. The attackers forcibly took several worshippers with them, including the pastor. Ikram, a Christian in Djibouti, says that because he practices Christianity, everyone has cut him off. He often faces isolation and fear, but he continues to pray and worship in secret. Guinea, local governments and extremist groups often violate the rights of Christians in Christianity. Bilaf said that his church was forcibly closed and is now refusing to issue permits to reopen. In Eritrea, Christians have endured decades of imprisonment, and their stories are a symbol of faith and patience. Ezekiel, who was arrested as a teenager, says that life will end in prison. Tunisia, Christians are being targeted by hatred. Jamal said that he has not been able to register his church for 8 years. Christians are often beaten, and in some cases have even been killed. In Cameroon, a Christian woman, Amanda, was denied entry to university because she refused to take Islamic teachings, a religion she believes in. In Mozambique, a young Christian man named Jalingo sells vegetables. He was injured in an attack by extremists. Now his family has lost their jobs and everything they owned and is forced to live in hiding.
Channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News. CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide.
Today is January 31st, 2026. Christian educational institutions and lands in Pakistan are often targeted by occupying groups and local Muslim influential people. Babar said that the land of a local Christian school in Salem was seized and there are threats. Guinea, local governments and extremist groups often violate the rights of Christians in Christianity. ANJ said that her church was forcibly closed and is now refusing to issue permits to reopen. The severe water shortage in Iran has hit Christians hard. Mayzab says that her family stood in line for hours every day, but when people found out that she was Christian, they lied and said that the water had run out. Fariza, a woman rescued from ADF captivity in Uganda, has taken refuge in an orphanage, where she is now trying to start a new life. Being held captive by extremists is not safe for oppressed women. Christians in Eritrea are enduring hardship, and their stories are a testament to faith and perseverance. James, who was arrested as a teenager, says his life will end in prison. In Congo, the M23 rebel group has been carrying out a series of attacks, persecuting Christians for years. Joseph says the ongoing fighting forced him to flee his home and he spent years in a shelter. In Vietnam, authorities have summoned several Christian women to government offices to pressure them into religious activities. For example, Jane says they are being asked to stop church activities. In Mauritius, political uncertainty in the country due to the election dispute. Jemal says Christians are in fear and uncertainty because not only education is being affected, but also daily life is being affected by the political tension. In Turkey, legal challenges to the deportation of Christians have left many families in fear and uncertainty. Bram says they were suddenly ordered to leave the country and are homeless with their children. In Mayat Semia says church was burned down and she deprived of education and worship with her friends.
Channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News. CRC Worldviews and News. Important news about Christians worldwide.
Today is February 1st, 2026. Maldives, Christians are being pressured to abandon their faith. Megan says their lands were confiscated and they were forcibly sent to prison. Now they are pleading for justice. Uzbekistan, Christians are being closely monitored, they are being arrested as traitors. Ample said that their mobile phones were confiscated, their personal information was misused and their faith was also insulted. Cambodia. Baram said that Christian students are being prevented from Christian teachings and Christian beliefs are being mocked. They also faced harassment at school. Laos, Mengal is enduring great hatred because of his Christian faith, but he is converting people to Christianity with his good character. Now extremists are planning to kill him. Mauritania, this Matthew's husband was killed during an attack. She is living in hiding with her children, she is receiving many threats, she is looking for a job so that the children can eat. In Egypt, Christians are deprived of government services, education, and health. They face hatred based solely on their religious identity. Bailey was fired from her job as a Christian. Tunisia. Christians are being targeted by hatred. Wiggins said that they have not been able to register their church for 8 years. Christians are often beaten, in some cases even killed. Sierra Leone, Jen said that extremists are being trained and taught organized crimes against Christians. They were also accused of theft and sent to prison as Christians. Somalia. Al-Shabaab is imposing strict Islamic law in the region. Yelena said that extremists consider Christians to be the biggest threat because they do not want to abandon Christianity and that is why they are being tortured. In Cameroon, a Christian woman, Menda, was denied entry to university because she refused to take Islamic teachings, which she believes are in line with her religion.
Videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. a reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.